So everything which is changeable, that is Maya, and that is not changeable, it is God. So Bhagavad Gita has many shloks. From them, if you will obey one shlok, then our life will be fulfilled with the happiness, pleasure. So one shlok is there. कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर means do your work, don't wait for the fruit, its result. And we are here to whenever we have whenever we come to the temple, we have something in back of the mind that we are offering you this thing, and you please do this for me. So don't. So he's saying, so if you have something, so he's saying if you have something in your mind, that is your ego only. So you please reduce your ego. Please reduce your ego and do the please once there was a sant who told that how to control our mind, our heart, how to control it. Man Musa Pingal Baya Pipara Harinam. So you can do Harinam, and by doing the Harinam you can control your mind, your heart, your thought, everything. Harinam, by Harinam, Harinam has so much power that you can handle your mind, your heart, every situation you can control that. So because you all are trying for this, so I'm giving you the congratulations for all this. So and you have called us to give this respect and this trophy. So I'm giving a lots of thanks to you. Be happy and please always remember the God.
आदरणीय पंडित जी यहाँ पर आए सभी लोगों को मेरा नमन, मेरा नमस्कार। आज हम यहाँ श्रीमद् भागवत कथा में आए हैं।
We all are here to listen Srimad Bhagavad Katha. So we have to learn something from here. Otherwise, what happens generally when we are sitting here, we are listening the katha, but when we are going outside to our home, to market, to job, so everything is coming in our mind, and we forgot the things whatever has been told by Gurudev in the katha. We forgot the thing in our daily routine, daily life. So my request is that we have to learn everything whatever Gurudev has told in the Srimad Bhagavad Katha. So and also I am giving you the blessings for upcoming festivals like Diwali, Govardhan, etc. Now everyone will say something about the Bhagavad festival in our team, from our team only.
गुरुदेव बुला रहे हैं, आप कहाँ पर हैं?
Turn go. हाँ, Swati sir.
श्याम प्रभु, हरि बोल।
Shyam Prabhu. Nobody is there. Everyone is sleeping.
श्याम प्रभु,
You should have warned them in advance.
They should have informed. Might be they would have informed, but they would be busy in something. Who's coming?
श्याम प्रभु आ गए।
Shyam Prabhu.
आइए प्रभु, गुरुदेव बुला रहे हैं।
So I need to.
Yes.
हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. He's saying this is 2 words happened. Hare Krishna.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं
तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. नमो
नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय गौराकृष्णाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त वनिधि नामिने नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरद्विषे नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद सही बोले हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। एक बार उच्च स्वर से बोल दीजिए हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे सर्वप्रथम गुरुपाद पद्म विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र सत्य श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज के चरण कमल में अनंत कोटि दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ और उनकी
offering my great, you can say, offering my obeisance in the lotus feet of Srila Gurudev and all the Guru Parampara and available all the Vaishnavas.
दो शब्द बोलने के लिए प्रभु ने बोला और
Prabhuji told me to tell 2 words. But I will speak everything in 2 minutes only.
ऐसा सुअवसर बड़े ही सौभाग्य से प्राप्त होता है और ये चीज यहाँ पर आकर के गुरुपाद पद्म के श्रीमुख से भगवान की कथाओं को श्रवण करना ये कोई साधारण बात नहीं है। प्रश्न ये उठता है साधारण बात नहीं है क्या
This is the great pleasure for us to attend this beautiful occasion of Srimad Bhagavatam, and we are obeying this Bhagavatam in from the mouth of this great saint, Srimad Pujapad Bhaktivedanta Shri Varn Maharaj Goswami, and he is distributing the divine words, divine katha, sweet nectar of katha in all over of world. And he is so fortunate when we take the darshan only of this Guru, then we have this proof that whenever we are doing the darshan, whenever we are doing the darshan of this kind of son, we destroy all the
दर्शनांतनो भवेत बंधा
all the sins of our life that would be destroyed only by the darshan of Srila Gurudev.
सूर्य क्या करता है?
Just like
जब
sun,
प्रकाशित होता है,
when sun
तो सारे
gives,
अंधकार जल करके नष्ट हो जाते हैं।
whenever sun
ऐसे ही
rise,
जो
it
सब
gives,
दर्शी
it destroys all the darkness. Similarly, the Guru is available here, and whenever we are doing the darshan of Srila Gurudev, all the sins will be destroyed. So,
श्री कृष्ण ने श्री भगवत गीता में इसलिए कह दिया,
Shri Krishna has told in Bhagavad Gita, Sanshaya Atma Vinashyati. We have to rely on Srimad Bhagavad Gita's word. We have to rely. We need not to do any kind of confusion here. Only darshan, only taking the glimpse of Srila Gurudev will destroy all the sins. This is our great fortune that we are taking the darshan of Srila Gurudev here. So, and this fortune, we can explain this fortune by the words. We have very less time. Today is the last day. So today I am ending my words here, and I am praying to the Gurudev that we can please give us blessing that we can pay our all the life to Guru Vaishnav's lotus feet in this life.
प्राण गोविंद प्रभु
This was very
आइए।
heavy noise. So I don't know. I hope you would be able to understand something. Whatever. Yes, sorry. A bit sick.
ओम
both
ज्ञान
the-
विज्ञानस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुत्तरीतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय भगवते भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय गायत्र्यात्मने श्री श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त नारायण समिति नामिने। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्री कृष्ण
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम राम
हरे हरे.
मैं सर्वदा अपने गुरुदेव
Very first I am doing my I am giving my pranam to the lotus feet of my Gurudev and to my Param Gurudev. I am giving my wholehearted pranam in the lotus feet of Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
यहाँ पे उपस्थित सभी वैष्णव
and I am giving the pranam to my all the Vaishnavis who are available here. Hare Krishna.
श्रील गुरुदेव की आज्ञा है दो शब्द
Srila Gurudev asked me to give 2 words, at least 2 words. So I'm trying to divine my tongue, purify my tongue here.
कि हम कभी भी कथा बोलते हैं
Whenever we speak katha,
अपने गुरु की महिमा गाएंगे
we should always speak the glorification of our Gurudev.
कृष्ण है ना उनको बोलते
Just like Krishna,
भूषण खुद पहनाते हैं तो कृष्ण को
just like Krishna, when we decorate the Krishna by the jewelries, so then in that condition we say that we have decorated the Krishna by jewelry.
हमारी
But this is the false thing. Jewelry got good thing when it is worn by the Krishna. Similarly, when we are
और ये भी
with the Gurudev,
मैंने देखा है गुरुदेव कहीं
we should always do the glorification of Gurudev.
श्रीमद् भागवत कथा श्रवण कर रहे हैं
You also would have seen that Gurudev every time Gurudev will glorify, every time Gurudev glorify the glorification of Srila Gurudev, Param Gurudev. So this is the very topmost thing that Gurudev is teaching us. So we should also we should also follow the thing. We should also glorify our Gurudev, and also we should give the kindful thanks to all of them who has helped us to do this occasion, so great occasion. This is not,
अगर आप जैसे श्रोता ही ना हो तो पूरे 7 दिन
if listeners will not be there, then no any point would be to giving the Harikatha. So listeners should also be there, and this is really a great thing that all the listeners are sitting here to listen the this nectar of sweet katha.
तो शिक्षा गुरु वो होते हैं जो
And also, who is our Shiksha Guru? Who is our Shiksha Guru? So, Gurudev told that the person who is giving us only Katha, he will not our Shiksha Guru. The person who is motivating us for our Gurudev, who is giving the more and more clarification, glorification of our Gurudev, that is only the Shiksha Guru. So we have to follow that Shiksha Guru who is helping us. Yes. So our Gurudev is also like the same. I am also feeling very pride that when I am saying that he is my Gurudev, because everywhere he is giving the glorification of Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Everywhere he is giving the glorification of Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Everywhere giving the glorification, his lifestyle, his acharan, and he is also following the same thing. So very first we have to follow his work, this kind of activities that we also have to follow the same thing, and we should also have to glorify our Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Srila Van Maharaj Goswami. And this is one more great thing that we are following now. Number one, this is a Kartik month. Second thing, we are listening the Srimad Bhagavatam Katha by Srila Gurudev. So there are a number of good things that we are enjoying this time.
नौकरी पे भी जा रहे हैं, वापस आ रहे हैं, मतलब सुबह 4-4:15 उठते हैं और कोई सोने का टाइम नहीं,
And here
फिर जा रहे हैं और फिर
everyone is here.
कौन है? हमारी गुजरात कुंजेश्वरी दीदी। कुंजेश्वरी दीदी की
Here one Kunjeshwari Didi is here. One Kunjeshwari Didi is here.
ये रोज सुबह
She is daily she is coming in Mangal Arti. She is coming from Hoj Khas. Then again she is going back, and then again she is coming back at 4 p.m. Then again she is listening the Bhagavatam Katha, and again she is going back. Right. So this is really a very dedicated lady, and she is doing this, and she is Vaishnav Namo Namo Ki Jai.
हरे कृष्णा। हमारे बीच में भाई रविंद्र चौधरी जी और हरण सिंह जी आए हैं गोवर्धन से। इनके लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए। गोवर्धन की
We have this Ravinder Chaudhary, and this both are giving the supervision for Sri Giriraj Gaudiya Math in Govardhan. Both these guys are from the Govardhan only. So both of have come from the Govardhan only. They are taking care for Giriraj Govardhan Gaudiya Math.
देखो गोवर्धन की रात की आज भी दूल्हे ने बताया अभी गए नहीं यहीं पर है। गोवर्धन से ब्रजवासी आ ही गए हैं।
See, so we have Brajvasis from the Govardhan. We have two Brajvasis from the Govardhan. Both of them taking care.
दो शब्द आगे।
He will give 2 words.
बोलते भगवान की जय।
Gurudev ki jai. Just like Giriraj.
हम लोग यथार्थवाद का कई दिनों से प्रोग्राम बना रहे थे।
We were planning to come here again and again, but today last day we came here and we have this great fortune to come to attend this occasion.
और विश्वास को देखते हुए हमारे
Here,
कि
here we are feeling very fortunate to see this good thing, all the audience and Gurudev, and we have this is the great fortune to us. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Shri Radhe. I pray to all of them, please attend the Kartik Parikrama and please come to Vrindavan and Giriraj, both the location. And please, I am taking care the Thakurji Seva there.
हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna,
राधे राधे।
Radhe Radhe.
लोगों को ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि
I am feeling like when I was listening the Guruji's katha, and I'm feeling that I should come early and I should have attended the katha from 5 p.m. early, but I could not attend. So this is my apologies. And but due to the jam, road traffic jam, we reached late here. Radhe Radhe.
रविंद्र चौधरी जी हमारे स्पेशल सेल में हैं और पुलिस की सीआईडी में
He is into the police department. Ravinder Chaudhary, he is into the police department and every time giving the police seva.
सब सामान भूल जाता है।
And he is taking care for everything and he is arranging the all the bricks, cement, everything there.
हरे कृष्णा। ख्याल लीजिए गुरुजी। हमारे बीच में नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णु भक्ति राम जननायक गोपाल महाराज जी के शिष्य
So we have one more great son. He is a big. He is a disciple of Pujapad Shri Bhaktivedant Nitya Lila Pravishta Bhaktivedant Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
नीलम बोली इस काम सेवा खा खा के मैं जिंदा हूँ, मैं अच्छी
यादव जी गुरुदेव की इच्छा है आप दो शब्द कहें।
राम ने क्यों भाई राम जी राधे राधे तो कहते हैं बस मैं दिल की इंचार्ज नीलम बोली ना पॉलिटिक्स किया गया देखो उठाया गया राधे 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 एक खंडन करना ही दूसरा खंडन मेरा साथ दो
ओम ज्ञान के ज्ञान सलाक्या गुरु की तमेन तस्मै श्री गुरु ओम विष्णुपादाय गौरकंठाय श्री भक्ति विनाम वंदे हम भक्ति चतुरम श्री भक्ति विनाम स्वामी श्री राधाय का निस्तर सायं तथा मिलकम संकीर्तन आनंद नाम गोस्वामी
Now, very simple thing.
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका काम राधाकांत नमस्ते तत्कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वैष्णवानी सुते देवी पद्मावती हरि वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधुश्च पतितानां वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्ति। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वसम्मत में रूपात्मक ओम विष्णुपाद रुद्र श्रीमद् भक्तिवेदांत श्रील गोस्वामी महाराज के चरणों में अनंत कोटि दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Dandavat pranam to Gurudev.
ओम विष्णु भारत शुक्र श्रीमद् भगवद्गीता से राम गोस्वामी
Dandavat pranam to Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj. Dandavat pranam to Sri Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Dandavat pranam to Samast Guru Parampara. Dandavat pranam to all the Vaishnavis. All the Vaishnavis. Yatha Yogya Dandavat pranam.
मैं पहले शिव जी की पूजा करता था।
Earlier I was doing the worship for Shivji, Shankar Bhagwan. I was doing the Abhishek every year.
गुरुदेव को चरणों में समर्पित किया।
But Shankarji has sent us to Gurudev.
पहले माइक पर दो शब्द भी नहीं बोला था।
Prior to this, I have never asked 2 words. Never. Shivji has deputed us and Gurudev has given us the Krishna Bhakti. Now we are in Narela. We have a team with the name of Vana Madhuryam and we are doing the prachar advertisement in Narela village. And we have organized the Bhagavad Sapta also. Shyam Prabhu has done the Bhagavad Sapta. Radhashtami also we have done there. And now we are attending this Bhagavad Sapta here. So, Gurudev in the Narela. In Narela, we have the special great fortune of Gurudev, blessing of Gurudev. In every 6 months, they ask that I will come to Narela. I'll come to Narela. Vaishnavabhyo Namo Namah. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। संतोष पांडे जी हरि बोल। कैलाश पांडे जी भी आ रही है, कहाँ है? हरि बोल।
No, these are
लखनऊ से आए स्पेशल। जहाँ गुरुदेव जाते हैं आ जाते हैं, भाई हमारे गुरुदेव के दर्शन करने और आशीर्वाद देते हैं बड़े भाई सारे। जोरदार तालियां बजा दीजिए।
श्रील गुरुदेव की जय।
पतना पावने पर वैष्णव नमो नमः।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम गुरुदेव के चरणों में अंतगुण साष्टांग नमस्कार प्रणाम करता हूँ एवं गुरुदेव से कृपा भिक्षा की याचना करता हूँ।
Pranam to Srila Gurudev and requesting his blessings to my lotus, to his. This is a great fortune to us that Gurudev always coming to. Gurudev has given us the shelter in his lotus field, and we are stuck in this Maya. And they have given us this fortune to attend this Bhagavad Sapta and to attend this pleasure. This is really a pleasure thing to us. Here everyone is doing the Harinam. So Jivan, this life is completely based on Harinam only. So Kaliyug Keval Namadhara Sumir Sumir na Rutrahi Para. So we should do the Harinam. We should always do the Harinam. So I will request Gurudev to please never forget us and always do the blessings on us.
कैलाश पांडे जी आइए जल्दी फटाफट, दो शब्द, समय की सीमा है। हरे कृष्णा हरि बोल।
Hare Krishna.
मैं सर्वप्रथम अपने गुरुदेव भक्ति वेदांत
Very first I am giving the repeating the same thing. Nothing.
This is the last one. This is the last one.
तत्पश्चात परम गुरुदेव भक्ति
I am doing
वेदांत
the
नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज
this
भक्ति
thanks and
वेदांत गोस्वामी महाराज
I'm my obeisance to their lotus feet
मैं यहाँ
of
पर
Srila Gurudev.
लखनऊ से सिर्फ
I came here from Lucknow and I only came here to listen the Hari Katha by the Gurudev's mouth. I was planning to go yesterday only, but when I listened the Katha, so I planned to I changed my plan, and today I stopped here.
हर साल
Stay here.
कोई प्रोग्राम गुरुदेव हमारे घर पे आके करते हैं।
So Gurudev has so much blessings on us. Every year Gurudev is coming to our home in Basti,
और उसके पहले
and Basti is our native place. And last year also they came to us and they did the Bhagavatam also in Basti. In 23 also. In 22 it could not happen due to Corona, and every year Gurudev is giving blessings to us. So I'll kindly request to Gurudev to always give us the blessing the same way, and every year every time they will come to us and give us the blessings, and they will give us the power so that we can call Gurudev every year and we can arrange the Hari Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam every year.
She's the last.
तो आज बड़ा सुंदर रूप से ये श्रीमद् भागवतम कथा का आयोजन, जिसको आज यहाँ पे तो विराम दिया जा रहा है।
Today is the last day of Srimad Bhagavatam here, but this is a never-ending katha. It will never stop. It is a Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya. So we have to always listen Bhagavatam katha by the Srila Gurudev. So every day we should listen Bhagavad Katha. These are not the general kathas. All these kathas are God's Leelas, God's activities, and they have given us that
तो इन कथाओं को हमें
supreme stage, and we have to obey these kathaएं. We have to follow these katha. And these katha will help us to further grow in the bhakti marg, and that will help us to obtain the Krishna prem, and then only we would be able to obtain the Krishna prem, Radha prem. So every time
कितने बड़ा सुंदर सा वो है, भक्ति भक्तिमय है।
but how we will get the bhakti, we will always get the bhakti from the Guru Vaishnav Jan. So whenever we want bhakti, we will have to follow the Guru Vaishnav Jan. So whenever we will follow the Guru Vaishnav, we will have the divine bhakti from their heart only. So this is a great thanks to all of them who has given their time to listen this Hari Katha and Srimad Bhagavatam. And the person who has not taken still Harinam, they can gain the Harinam from Gurudev today or tomorrow. We don't know when we will have life or not. So today only we should decide that we have to take Harinam from the Gurudev.
भगवान ने बड़ी उपलब्धि की है, गुरु वैष्णवों की बड़ी कृपा है कि हम
There is a great fortune of God, Guru Vaishnav, that we are staying here in the lotus feet of Guru Vaishnav, who is doing the constant service of his Gurudev.
निरंतर
So we also have to do this
बिना रुके
continue service to Srila Gurudev.
सेवा वृत्ति
We also have to follow this.
आ जाए।
We also have this blessing. We will request Gurudev to give us the blessing. that we also have this kind of mind, heart to follow the Gurudev's rule.
इस कथा में हमारी बड़ी सुंदर सी
There is
टीम,
a
जिसके अंदर सबसे पहले हमारे टीम लीडर कौन है? नित्य लीला प्रविष्णु विष्णु पाद अशोकन भक्ति वेदांत
so
नारायण
everyone
महाराज की जय। गुरुदेव भक्ति वेदांत
सब महाराज की जय,
जो इस व्यास आसन पर आसीन है।
who is the main Vyaspeeth.
पूज्यपाद रामचंद्र
Pujapad Padmanabh Maharaj Ji, Pujapad Ramchandra Prabhu. So I am giving thanks to all of them who has given their complete heart, money, everything. They helped us.
बिना कोई शिकायत के सब
They helped us.
सेवाएं की। जैसे हमारे पूज्यपाद श्याम प्रभु जी, हमारे
पूज्यपाद श्याम प्रभु, पूज्यपाद
दीदी, हमारी कुंजेश्वरी दीदी और हमारी फरीदाबाद से आई हुई
सुचित्रा दीदी।
तो इस तरह से हमारे बहुत सारे भक्त लोग, मैं सबका नाम लूंगी, हमारे नरेला से सब लोग रोज आ रहे हैं कथा को श्रवण करने के लिए। दामोदर प्रभु, और आज दामोदर प्रभु के घर में प्रोग्राम भी था, और दामोदर प्रभु लगभग 2014 में श्रील गुरुदेव से जुड़े थे, और 2014 से आज 2025 आ गया।
Damodar Prabhu is a very good disciple of Gurudev. He got associated to Gurudev in 2014 and till now he is with Gurudev. And he is. We attended the very good program yesterday also at his home, and we don't have any power to do any good function and Bhagavatam, Hari Katha, anything. Whenever Guru work is giving us that power to us, they transfer this energy to us, then only we are able to do this kind of good activities.
गुरुदेव क्या करते हैं, किसी ना किसी के हृदय में उस शक्ति को प्रकाशित कर देते हैं। तो हमारे
and by this energy only we are able to do this good occasion. And a great thanks to Kirtaniya. They came from the Mathura Doordarshan, and they are the very senior person there. Tomorrow also they have one selection, so Gadi is already there, and they do a very good, very beautiful kirtan.
और हमारे ये जो आप स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं, इतनी सुंदर आप
You are seeing the screen where we have displayed all the shloks. So present हो जाते हैं.
तो वो कैसे हो जाता है?
We have seen the pictures and shloks related to all the katha, and so Chaitanya Prabhu is already there, who is giving this seva. Every time he is giving the seva related to media, Facebook, right? बनाते हैं. They do this.
और हमारे विदेशों से आए हुए ये सब भक्त, ये देखिए,
And these foreigners, they are also coming here. We only came here from the nearby homes, and these foreigners came here by spending the lots of money only to listen the Hari Katha. Only to listen the Hari Katha, all the foreigners came here because so that they can recharge their bhakti. They will have the enthusiasm in their heart.
यमुना दीदी,
यमुना दीदी, आनंद परायणी,
चारू चंद्रिका
चारू
दीदी,
चंद्रिका, इंदिरा दीदी,
सब लोग
अरुणी मोहन,
इतनी दूर से आए हैं चलते,
they all came from the Kartik Palan, to follow the Kartik Palan. They will stay here till Kartik. They will do the parikrama. They will listen the Hari Katha, and this Vikas Prabhu. They also do all the seva to Gurudev. Umakant Prabhu is also. They always do a special seva. Umakant Prabhu, they always do a special seva. Akhilesh Prabhu, who is also a good kirtaniya. He always play a good kirtan. Mridang. So this is a team. This is a team of all the bhakt.
बिल्कुल भी साधारण नहीं। कहते
Yes.
हैं भगवान ने जिसको चुना है सेवा के
God
लिए,
has
वही सेवा
chosen.
कर पाता है।
Actually,
तो
the
हम
God
सभी
and Gurudev has
गुरुदेव के
chosen
चरणों में, शिष्य
every
के
person for their seva, and they are doing this seva.
पुरी प्रभु और
Puri
पुरी
Prabhu,
की
why
धर्मनी,
both has given.
और हमारे विजय प्रभु जो
विजय
हर
प्रभु,
प्रकार से सेवाओं में लगे हुए हैं।
related
और
to
मुझे
all the
खुशी जो
सेवा,
मिलती है, बाहर
वो
आप
बुक स्टॉल पे काम्या
7 दिन से उस व्यक्ति ने
7
पूरा बुक स्टॉल
संभाला हुआ है,
और वो क्या
right?
करते हैं,
She is handling complete thing related to book stall. Successful बनाओ,
लोगों के
घर तक पहुंचाऊं.
इतने सुंदर
Yes,
उससे
everything.
प्रार्थना करना
She is praying.
कोई साधारण नहीं है। देखिए, किसी का भी नाम छूट गया हो तो आप मुझे
Please,
क्षमा कर दीजिएगा।
Please apologize.
हमारी प्रसाद टीम जो क्या करती है, समय से पहले ही वहाँ
Prasad team.
पूरी तरह से
Prasad team is also giving the complete prasad distribution for all the 7 days. They are doing this service. They are doing this service. Yes, because seva should have with the accountability, with the responsibility, and all these persons are doing all this. Even everyone is going there. Plankos, she's doing the cleaning, everything, so that it would be clean for next katha.
तो देखिए, ये कथा का आयोजन जो हुआ श्री राधा रमन बिहारी जी की कृपा से,
Sri Radha Raman Vihari ji, this is the this is the major blessing of Sri Radha Raman Vihari, and who is and so beautiful darshan. Who is doing this beautiful darshan and beautiful decoration of Srila? So Baldev Prabhu, Krishna Prabhu, Subal Prabhu, Brahmacharis, they are giving this Nitya Seva.
हमारे जगदीश प्रभु हैं, हमारे
Jagdish Prabhu is there, Brahmacharis are there, they are giving all the kind of seva here. They don't have 24/7, they are available. Every time they are available.
शाम की संध्या आरती तक
They are till night, till the Shayan Aarti, from Mangla Aarti to Shayan Aarti. They are completely involved into the seva. लगे रहे.
तो मेरी आप इन सबसे क्या, ठाकुर जी की आज ये जो ठाकुर जी ने बड़ा सुंदर वस्त्र धारण किया है, ये हमारी अंजलि दीदी है और इनके साथ इनकी वो है सहेलियां हैं। इन सबने मिलकर क्या किया है, ये ठाकुर जी का वस्त्र सुंदर रूप से प्रदान किया है। ठाकुर जी ने आज
Today the dress Thakurji has worn, so few of the ladies from this team, they have prepared this.
इस कथा में अपना
And many of the people has given their help by money. They are not able to handle the work, but they have distributed, they have given the money to handle, to organize this thing on the good way.
अपना कुछ भी सेवा में
Whoever has given,
सबका हृदय से बहुत
whoever has given the money to make this occasion so beautiful, I am doing the
किसी भी प्रकार से कोई भी
thanks, special thanks, and asking for the apologies for any kind of wrong thing which is happened by mistake or any way. I'm requesting everyone to give us the forgive us for all those things.
7 दिन हरि कथा बोलना, क्योंकि श्री गुरुदेव
And a special thanks to Gurudev for giving us the 7 days Hari Katha in this Kartik month. From his busy schedule, they have given us this, and they are staying here, and they have given us the sadhu sang in 7 days.
मेरी गुरुदेव से प्रार्थना है कि इसी तरह से अपनी कृपा हम पे बनाए रखें और हमसे जो
I am praying to Gurudev and to forgive us and to help us to give every time this kind of Jai Shri Krishna, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for inconvenience.
प्रार्थना है कि गुरुमन महाराज जी की भागवत कथा प्रत्येक साल ही
I could not understand. Even
इसी प्रकार ही
he's saying ki I'm requesting Gurudev that every time he will give us the time and every time we will have this occasion every year.